Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. Today is a very sad day. It's day 24, it's Christmas Eve. It's the last box or window to open until next year. It was fun, I absolutely loved it so much. Out of the 24, well we don't know about number 24, but out of the 23 glitters that I've already opened, just one of them I wasn't feeling, so that is a massive bonus. I'm definitely getting this next year. Love it so much. I highly recommend it. They have got some beautiful glitters as you've seen in these videos. You see I'm stalling. Do you see what I'm doing? I am stalling. Oh, I don't want to open it. Can we just have a minute silence? Idiot, let's open it. It's done. Last one. So sad. I had so much fun doing this, really did. Oh, this is nice. Gingerbread man. Oh, I love a gingerbread man, it tastes so good. Gingerbread man seasonal mix. Ooh, that's pretty. So it's a holographic. Lighting is shocking, so sorry. It's a gold. We have some golds and then the holographic is just going crazy for every colour under the sun. And it's a multi-mix. Thank God there was no bloody snowflakes in it. So don't get me wrong, I love a snowflake, but it's hard to swatch on a swatch stick. I love that. It's so pretty. Right. It's the last one until next year. Are you all excited for tomorrow? To be honest, it's just another day for me. I don't put enough of monomer. Yeah, it's just another day for me. I never really celebrated Christmas. I only really did because of my husband. He absolutely loved Christmas. So yeah, I am not feeling it anymore. Last year I did put up a Christmas tree. This year I didn't. Didn't at all. What's the bloody point? So yeah, I'm Grinch this year, or what's his face? I can't remember his name. Scrooge. Is it Scrooge? Yeah. So I hope you all have an amazing Christmas. I mean, I know it's obviously different this year, but at least you're not alone and you've got your partner or kids. Do you know what I mean? The only thing I'm excited for is TV. I love Christmas TV. I absolutely love it. I love all the shitty movies they put on. It's my favourite. Oops. This is looking so dark. I'm so sorry. It's just, I'm not even sure what time it is. It's probably like 9 o'clock. No, it can't be because my daughter starts at 9. At 9:30, and it is foggy, really foggy outside, so the lighting isn't the greatest. But yeah, look at that glitter. It's freaking gorgeous. And the acrylic's still wet, so it's looking cloudy, but this side. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. So yes, I will definitely be getting this a&a. What is that freaking banging? Do you not know I'm recording here, people? What was I saying? Yeah, I will definitely be getting the a&a glitter 100% next year. I'm in an R about Smileys because I know last year, was it last year? She numbered her pots. I don't know how they came, but I remember some girl, she was selling her glitters and Joe ended up buying them off her. And they were all numbered, and I ended up getting one. It was like 23 or 22. And that's the one that Joe was missing. So I sent it to Joe so she could have the full collection. So anyway, they were numbered. So when I bought mine this year, I was thinking it was going to be the same sort of thing. Every day you open the numbered one. But as you saw as I got it, there were just a load of envelopes and these 2 tins of these glitters. I was disappointed because it wasn't numbered, but then again, everything was so beautiful. Loved absolutely everything. I was going to say something else, but my concentration is so bad. It's just because I've seen a squirrel on my fence. I lost what I was saying. So yeah, I would get Smileys again as long as she numbers it, because it's more exciting. Oh, that's what I was going to say, that I opened it all in one. Do you know what I mean? I thought, okay, it's not numbered, fuck it kind of thing, I'm going to open it. But when it's numbered, I sort of have control. But then saying that, I did get the Charlie's one. And when it came, me and my daughter sat on her bed and opened one by one. So I had number 1, she had number 2. So it was like that back and forth. That was very exciting, but then I felt sad after because, you know, we'd already opened it. But anyway, I am talking for too long now. I just want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope you have an amazing day regardless of the situation. It is what you make it. Do you know what I'm saying? So I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget that I love you so much and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for all your support. So yes, very, very happy Christmas to you all, and I will see you whenever I see you, I'll see you. But please take care. Goodbye for now.